Good day, this is the Professopher, CBMD PhD, and today's Tuesday, December 13th, 2022. It is 2:55 and 43 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, salivary gland cancer. So let's jump to it here. The P53 could be key to therapies for salivary gland cancer. Date December 8, 2022. Source, Michigan Medicine, University of Michigan. Researchers found that certain drugs can change the fundamental makeup of cancer stem cells in mouse models of mucoepidermoid carcinoma, a lethal form of salivary gland cancer that currently has no treatment options. Researchers observed that when they used small molecule inhibitors of MDM2 for a short period of time, the population of cancer stem cells decreased quite a bit. The team initially thought that the cancer stem cells were being selectively killed by this drug, but the study revealed something more profound. Cancer stem cells represent the small number of cells in the tumor that fuel cancer's growth and spread. They found that the drug actually changes the fundamental nature of the cells to make them more vulnerable to other therapies and less able to start new tumors. The research team also observed that the incidence of relapse in mice treated with this drug was much lower than in the mice that were not treated. Mucoepidermoid carcinoma is the most common malignant salivary gland cancer with very limited therapeutic options. Over 3,000 people die of the disease in the United States every year, and to date, there is no FDA-approved drug to treat it. There is currently no effective therapy for this cancer right now. These patients are typically treated with medical surgery and radiation, and that usually is insufficient. The patients die because of tumor relapse and tumor metastasis. We need a systematic drug. This is one of the first outcomes that is showing some positive signs in terms of tumor regression or inhibiting tumor relapse. The research team have been studying the drugs for years that activate P53 to see if this makes cancer cells more vulnerable to therapies, but the team still hadn't figured out just how the drugs work. This new study moves the team one step closer to that understanding. The P53 is frequently mutated in most cancers, but rarely in MAC, which made these small molecule inhibitors a good candidate to study. This drug requires a non-mutated form of P53 to work. In mucoepidermoid carcinoma, this drug works well because P53 is not mutated. These results show that P53 is integral to ME3 and suggested that therapeutic activation of P53 could present new treatment options for patients. The bottom line that scientific researchers now have a drug that is in clinical trial for patients with salivary gland cancer. And this is the Professopher, Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.